Good evening, everyone. This is for the Suarez Bobblehead. There were 394 entries for the Bobblehead. We'll go ahead and roll a dice here. The dice has to be higher than a 10. So we'll roll, let's see, that's 13 times. And we're going to make up our list. We'll place in the side of random here. Alright, so it's 394 entries. How this will work is on the 13th roll, whoever's name's on the top wins. Good luck. Alright, that was 12 times. Double check here the dice roll was 13. Next roll wins. And our winner is Jason Haywood. Jason Haywood, congratulations. Feel free to message me with your information where you'd like to either meet up or the address you want to ship to. Thanks a lot.